Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Warawong, and which is near Wollongong, and I am outside Service NSW office in Warawong, and see, this is the office, and this is the space for parking for the driving test people, so you need to park there. So these are the few parking spots available, and then you can start driving. And if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 5 times without any mistake, then I am 100% sure you will get the driving test in one go. And good luck for your driving test. So let's go for the driving test now. So guys, we are coming outside this parking area, so check your mirrors, and because it's a parking area, so there may be pedestrian around, and you have to be very careful, and speed should be around 20 km. And give the left indicator, and we will come out from this parking area and take left on the King Street. Make sure that you are giving way to the traffic coming from the right side. When it is all clear, then you can turn right. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 70 here. So we will take left on the Shell Harbour Road towards Port Kembla. So give the left indicator. And then within 4 seconds of the yellow light, you can turn left. So now the limit is 50 km. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. See, it is a work zone, so 40 limit is here. So reduce your speed to 40. So these kind of adjustment on the road because of the repair work or anything, you have to prepare yourself mentally and drive at that speed. See, it is saying stop here on the red light. So it is a red light, we will stop, but it is now green, so we can go ahead, but speed is 40 here. So keep going straight. There is a road work going on, so you have to follow the special road condition, and speed should be 40 here. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. The red cones mean it is still a work zone area. So keep going straight. And now there is a school zone. If you are giving the driving test between 8 AM to 9:30 AM or 2:30 PM to 4 PM during school days, then you have to drive at 40. So make sure till you are able to see end school zone. Till then, keep driving at 40. So we will go straight. See, now there is a 50 signboard, so you can drive 50. We will take left here on Northcliffe Drive. So now take the left turn. See, it is a still school zone on this left lane. This is very confusing. You can see the end school zone, then you can only increase the speed, otherwise keep driving at 40. So keep going straight. And we will turn right from this traffic light on King Street towards Wollongong Bulai. Give the right indicator. So during your driving test, keep both your hand on the steering wheel and keep observing your speedometer that you are driving within the speed limit, and also keep a watch on all your mirrors, like rear view and both the side mirrors. So you should look as a responsible driver. So on this traffic light, if it is only green, then it means you have to give way to the traffic coming from front when you are turning right. But if it is a right green also, then it means you have no such restriction. You can simply turn right without giving way. So I will show you what kind of traffic light it is. And be careful, this intersection has a red light camera, so don't jump the red light. If it is a yellow light, because yellow light is for 4 seconds only, and if you are okay to stop, then please stop. Don't jump the traffic light. Yeah, so it is a green light also. Right arrow is green, so we can turn green, right. And left lane is a bus lane. Don't drive on that lane. So he may ask to change the lane. So give the left indicator, check the rear view mirror, left door mirror, and over the shoulder on your left. And that is how you change the lane slowly. So keep going straight. And don't do the tailgating. Keep a safe distance between the car in front of you and your car. Don't drive very close to the other car. Otherwise also you will fail in the driving test. Speed limit is 50 here. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. So we will go straight from this traffic light. There is a red light camera, so you have to be careful, don't jump the red light. So now it is a green light, we can go straight. So after this traffic light, the speed limit is 60 here. As you can see the signboard, speed limit is 60. So we will do the left lane change again. So give the left indicator, check the mirrors, and slowly change the lane. So keep going straight. And again there is a red light and speed camera 60 kilometer. So keep driving at under 60, and also if there is a red light, don't jump the red light. So on this traffic route you will find few challenges, like few cameras and all that, so you have to be mentally prepared for that. So it is a green light, so we can start, keep driving. See, now the speed limit is 80, so you can drive at 80. So this speed on this driving test you have seen 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So you have to be very prepared for these kind of road limit changes. So on the 80, even if you are driving at 70, you are okay, but if you are driving 50 or 60, you will be fail in the driving test because you are too slow in this fast lane roads. And this is a 3-lane, so if you are driving, prefer to drive in the either in the middle lane or the left lane, because the right lane is for the overtaking and those who are going fast, so you have to give way. It will be better if you drive on the left lane. So keep going straight. So keep going straight. We will take left on the Lake Avenue. Give the left indicator. Slow down and brake. Because it's a yellow light, you can stop. So now it's a left arrow green, so we can turn left. So see there, it is a 50 area now. All the internal roads are 50 if it is otherwise stated, like some of the roads are 40 limit because of the high pedestrian activity. See, this one zigzag line on the road mean there is a pedestrian activity. See, there is a pedestrian crossing and hump. The speed limit should be 25. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. And we will take right on Jarvi Road. Give the right indicator. If there is any vehicle coming from the front, you have to give way. Turn right. We will do curbside parking here behind this van. Give the left indicator. Check all your mirrors over the shoulder on your left, and then you can slowly take the vehicle to the left near to the curb. Don't hit the curb and don't park close to the other vehicle. You are able to see the vehicle rear view tire of the car in front of you. Then you can stop and put the car in the parking and pull the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have done the parking. Okay, that's fine. He will say let's go. So give the right indicator. Check all your mirror, rear view mirror, right door mirror, and over the shoulder on your right. Then you can start driving slowly. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. So we will take left on the Sheffield Street. Give the left indicator. So it's a steep road, so you have to be careful. And there is another school zone. So check the school zone timing, and if it is a school zone timing, you have to give way to the pedestrian, and also speed limit should be 40. So keep going straight. We will be doing reverse parking behind this car. Give the left indicator. Check all your mirrors and keep looking all your mirrors. Slowly take your vehicle to the back. Don't hit the curb. So when you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you, then you can park and pull the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have done the reverse parking. So it is all done. Very good. So now we can go straight. So he will say let's go. So put up the drive mode and pull down the handbrake. Give the right indicator. So when you are able to see that everything is okay on the road, then you can start driving. We will take left. We will take right on the Lakwana Street. This is the stop sign. You have to wait for 3 seconds. When it is all clear, then you can turn right and make sure that it is still a school zone. The speed limit should be 40. So keep going straight. And he may ask you to do the 3-point turn here. So check all your mirrors, and when there is nothing, no traffic from the back, you can turn right and don't hit the curb. Go back and you can drive again. Keep looking all your mirrors. Keep going straight. This is a steep road. Keep going straight, and it is still a school zone. And take left on the Sheffield Street. See, like this car has parked wrongly, so even if you have to cross the double lane because there is a narrow space, you can still cross the double lane in case of such a situation. So this is the end of school zone now. See, it is a very steep here, Make sure that you are keeping a soft braking, otherwise your car may go fast down the hill. And it is a give way sign. Give the right indicator. We will take right on the Jervy road. So keep going straight, and we will take left on the Lake Avenue. Give the left indicator. It is a stop sign, so don't do the mistake. Even if there is a no traffic, you have to stop for 3 seconds. Check left, check right, and then check left, and then you can turn left. And don't cross on the double lane, and left lane also is for parking. Don't drive on that lane. So again, a zigzag lane means there is a pedestrian activity and a hump and a pedestrian crossing. Speed limit should be 25. So it is a 50 limit here. So we will take right on the 5 Island Road. So we need to turn right, give the right indicator. See, it's a green arrow, we can turn right here. See, there is a left lane merging. You have to check your left door mirror and over the shoulder on your left. So we will do the left lane change. So give the left indicator, check over the shoulder on your left side, and then you slowly change the lane. The speed limit is 80 here. So when you are driving at 80, make sure that you are driving within the lane. Don't hit the side of the road or on the dividing lane. You should drive in the middle. So keep going straight. So like on this speed, in this kind of road, even if you drive between 70 to 75, that is a perfect speed. So now it is a 60 speed limit. Reduce your speed. And again there is a red light and speed camera. So your speed limit should be 60, and if it is a yellow light, then stop. Don't jump the right. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 60 here. And from this traffic light we will go straight. Again there is a red light camera, so make sure that you don't jump the red light. On this driving test route you will find few driving different conditions, like different speed limit and also few speed cameras and red light cameras. You don't get nervous and just drive safely. So keep going straight. So this patch of road is a bit of traffic because of the shops around, so you have to be very careful. And sometimes people can come suddenly out of the parking space. You have to prepare to stop in case of such kind of emergency. So again there is another camera, red light and speed camera. So it is a yellow light, so we have to stop. Just stop slowly. Don't apply the sudden braking. Sudden braking is only required in case of emergency. Otherwise you have to stop very slowly. The instructor should not feel any kind of jerk or fall to the front. go straight from this traffic light. You can change the lane, so give the left indicator, check all the mirror and especially over the shoulder on your left, and keep going straight. Keep going straight. Now the speed limit is 70. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And we are nearly close to the service NSW. Give the left indicator so that any traffic from your back is alert that you are turning into the parking area. So this is the service NSW office, Varawong. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question, put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. On my YouTube video you will be finding many other driving test route video and plus various other videos like how to change the lane or how to do the blank spot check. Those kind of videos may be very helpful for you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and good luck for your driving tests.